Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today, man, what a mess I've made things. We're going to do an established sign today. However, I was planning on doing it out of oak. So I came out here earlier today, glued all my oak stands up, waited like, I don't know, 8-10 hours, came out here this evening, and was prepared to plane it down and go over to the CNC and go to work. Unfortunately, I glued it up, and it's 15 inches wide. My planer is 13 inches. Amateur hour. So normally what I do is I split that in half and run it through the planer and then glue those halves back up. But we're on kind of a time restraint on this one, and it was a last minute thing. My daughter's going to a wedding Saturday. This is a wedding gift, and my wife just mentioned it yesterday. Hey, have you ever cut that thing for Reagan? And I went, oh no. So I called Reagan, and which is my daughter, and she goes, oh, I forgot. So here we are. So I am going ahead and do it with birch plywood. It usually comes out looking really good that way too. I was just wanting to make it out of oak for, you know, just because it'd be a little nicer piece, but this time got us and we couldn't do it. So we're going to do another established sign. So let's go. So that was it, guys. I thought this one came out great. My only big problem was I had to hurry through this whole thing. I had to design it last night, and the whole design is actually my daughter's. She came up with the writing. I said, how about some border? This is what came up with, so hopefully they'll like it. So as you saw it right there, stain's still a little wet, but man, that came out great. This stain's called Early American. I've been using it for a while. I don't use it on everything. I use a lot of colonial maple, golden pecan, but when I'm using birch or some pines, I use this Early American. It comes out amazing almost always. It's always done me well. So I really like it. So guys, that's going to be it for this week. If y'all haven't done so yet, run over and check out Smokey Uncuffed on YouTube, or just check it out at www.smokeyuncuffed.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to this one. So that's going to be it for this week. I'll see y'all next time.